beautiful day in Sayulita, Mexico. Enjoy our last few days here while enjoying this beautiful climate. If you guys are wondering how we even got here, we've partnered up with a company called Home to Go. They are a search engine website that lists off thousands of luxury rental properties, and that's how we found this beautiful casa. So we've left a link in the description of this video to their website. Check them out if you want to go traveling. I highly recommend this kind of thing. Started off a little rocky and slow. It's noon.
I don't know how you're so composed right now. We are rushing. Get out of here. We got a taxi cab coming up the hill right now. We are not prepared. I'm prepared, but I'm gonna eat this with a knife first. Everyone else is scrambling. It is a mad dash. Right, continue.
It's a mad dash because today we're gonna go on a beautiful sailboat. I think our cab's here. The cab's are here!
The cab's here, boys!
Anyways, we're going on a sailboat, gonna get some epic shots, potentially see some dolphins and whales. Have a good time.
Why would my head stop pounding?
Oh god, it's so tight in here. Okay, Dan, before you enter, you have to talk about how hungover you are. Action. Solid.
Are we there yet?
We're not there yet, Kenzo, but we are on another adventure. We're heading to Nuevo Vallarta to go experience a custom sailing tour with a guy named Bill, and we'll meet him soon.
Emergency stop. What's it for?
Yeah. Hold on, man.
Alright, Kenzo, we are ready for you. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, the smoothie! Oh no, Kenzo. That smoothie looks so good. It's gonna be okay, buddy. It's gonna be okay. Alright, do you want the rest of that sandwich now?
Yeah, man. That was a rough night.
That's
Hard last. Alright guys, this is day I think 5 and we are here on the boat docks in Puerto Vallarta with Eco Sail. Lent us a beautiful wind dancer boat to try out today, and we're gonna hopefully get some whale watching in. Honestly, whales here? Whales? Really? Anyways, we've been told not to feed the crocs. Throw Kenzo in when we see some crocodiles. Holy, there is a croc right there.
Really? Oh my god, if that croc eats a pelican.
What is going down? What is going down right now?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, you guys. Yeah. We're going snowmobiling.
Bathrooms is located right here, down the stairs. Bathrooms. How work is bathrooms? Very easy. Just hold the handle, take it up and push down. Welcome to the Mexican gym, you know. Okay, please don't feel seasick today, okay? Feel very well. You are in Mexico, the best place right here you are, okay? The boat is yours.
Woo!
What did you see, Justice?
I done see a whale species moving up in the water. He's moving up water.
This is super cool.
Oh my god, he's huge.
Wow.
Whoa.
You think that's his mouth?
Yeah.
Kenzo, look at the big fish, man.
What?
Oh, duck dive.
Do it again!
There's a couple of them too.
Like,
I told you, 100%.
gold is burnt. Boom!
Go for it, yeah, go.
Nice.
Oh shit.
How was your time, boys? We lost the Mavic. Yeah.
Right in the water.
Leo was trying to catch it and he f***ed up and it just fell. So all the footage is gone and my card was full.
I didn't want to get my shoes wet.
Alright, well that's a live
No, we're good. We're good. We only got the best footage ever. We are embarking back to the beach.
We're going to get some surfboards, maybe play a bit of spike ball or something. Yesterday we embarked out to Nuevo Vallarta, which is sort of these giant hotel chains that are all strung along the beach. It's cool and all. I've definitely done the all-inclusive thing before, but this experience is just so much more freeing. It's awesome. Like, we've had our own family dinners and breakfasts here. It's just nice being able to do your own thing and having a house instead of a hotel or like a little apartment. This is dope. Highly recommend it.
This is your final Mexican meal. What is so good about it?
Look at these fixins we have first of all. We have an array of sauces from non-spicy to spicy to medium spicy to flavor sensation. This is just the icing on the cake.
Flavor sensation, he says.
Like, this is the lasting taste I want in my mouth all the way back to Vancouver.
We've got 4 scenes, maybe 3.5 or so left. I'm just helping out, carrying stuff and vlogging while we go. But we're gonna get the last of our shots here while we still got a little bit of daylight, and then spend the rest of our night just enjoying life, which we've been doing for only 6 days now. Just the whole time in Mexico. We love life. Life's good. We're high on life. Here we go.
Cool. Any closing thoughts on your casa?
We came to Mexico. We could have found some place in the middle of the city where it's busy and close to everything. But really, 10 minutes out of the city, up a nice hill, it's an amazing view. We got hooked up with Home to Go for this one. They did it right. Oh man. If you need a nice relaxing vacation, if you need to get away from it all, this is where it's at. This is how you do it.